Hello everyone, we are from Group 15 and we are here to present under the module Introduction to Sustainable Engineering. Our topic is an alternative solution for electric water heater. I'm Galapitage.U.A and let's get moving on. So in this presentation, we will be mainly talking about the points mentioned here. As an introduction, with the development in technology, man found various methods to make the daily life easier by which the electric water heater was also invented. But by the use of it, there will be various bad effects to both the user and as to the environment, which is why there is a need of an alternative to find a solution for these problems. The importance of this project is to come up with an alternative solution to this problem and also to learn and improve our skills in sustainable engineering. Now moving on, let's look at what are the raw materials used. As you can see, nichrome, which is an alloy composed of nickel and chromium, CPVC, chlorinated polyvinyl chloride, stainless steel, zinc, and aluminium are some of the raw materials used to make the components of the product. And you can also see that all of these raw materials are non-renewable, which means they cannot be used again once they are used. So at the time of disposal, they will cause some bad effects to the environment too. Thank you very much. I now invite my colleague Lakitha to continue on with the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Monica. I am Ranasinghe.R.M.L.T. At first, I'm going to speak about some properties of the electric water heater. As you can see in table number 2, there are several volumes ranging from 30 liter to 100 liter in electric water heaters. Generally, their rated power and voltage will be 2000 watts and 220 volts respectively, and the maximum water temperature will be 75 degrees Celsius. The raw materials used will also have the following physical and chemical properties as shown in table number 3. All the components except plastic will conduct electricity, and all of the metals used are strong, but they are also brittle. Next, I'm going to briefly explain about how this product is being manufactured. As you can see in this flow diagram, there are 2 assembly lines when it comes to the assembling process. Few tests are also conducted, and after the items are assembled together, the waste material will be collected separately. Heat exchanger tube, heating element, and the outer cover are the 3 main components that are assembled together. Thank you. Our next member, Dulaj, will explain the rest of the presentation.
Thank you, Lakitha. Hello, my name is Nagahawatte.D.A. Firstly, I will talk about application of this product. There are many uses of electric water heater. In construction industry, we use it to freeze protection. It is also used for steam generation for construction site cleanup. Then in agricultural industry, we use it for milk and dairy production and also in pasteurization. In food and beverage industry, it is used for preventing of undercooking or overcooking. It is also used for cleaning. In pharmaceutical industry, we use it for manufacturing pharmaceutical products and for sanitization. In household, we use electric water heater for cleaning purposes and also for hot water showers. Then in restaurants and cafes, we use it to making and washing food and also to make hot drinks. Next, we shall move on to the life cycle stages associated with the product. Mainly, there are 4 life cycle stages in electric water heater. The first life cycle stage is extraction and processing of raw materials. The problem here is that it destroys natural resources, which is mainly affected in environment. Also pollution, which has environmental and social effects. Then the next life cycle stage is manufacturing. The main problem here is high cost per unit, which affect mainly on economics. Also, while functioning, there can be loud noises. Due to that, there will be sound pollution, which will affect in environmental and social problems. The next life cycle is useful life and maintenance of the product. The problem here is water leakage, which can affect in electric shocks, which is social problem. Also, by time goes on, water might smell bad due to H2S manufacturing inside the heater, which can be a social and environmental problem. Also, the maintenance cost, which can affect the economics. Final life cycle is recycling. The problem here is that when disposing the parts to the soil, it can destroy the quality of soil, which is an environmental and social problem. Also pollution, which affect the environment. Here on, I would like to call Dinit to continue this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Dulaj. I am Dilshan.R.M.D. In here, I am talking about what are the alternatives for problems. At present, electricity is being used to heat water. In this way, fossil fuels should be burned, for this way is not too much sustainable. Science limited resources are available and limited resources are available. Burning fossil fuels result in emission of harmful gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide to the environment. So we propose to using solar energy or wind energy to resolve this problem. And second problem is using tank water heaters for leaks might occur and the user might be victim to the electric shocks and the heater might burn, so it should be replaced. So we thought to use tankless water heaters to solve this problem. And third problem is the water will tend to have the odor similar to rotten eggs due to traces of hydrogen sulfide built up if the product has not been used for a long time. In that case, we can use the spiral heating coil for hot waters to solve this problem. Now, this is proposed alternative and we have selected alternative is the spiral water heater, and we are target to create water heater system which makes hygienic water heater and efficient heat transferring system which will reduce the monthly cost to solve this problem. And by this we can achieve these benefits. By manufacturing this system, we can get hygienic water which is becoming one of the main requirements day-to-day life. Not only that, we use electric water heater sometimes. There can be leakage on the system, but from this system there will be much less electric leakage. The heat transferring is also more efficient. When considering the other options, it also have a high standby volume. And next slide. Uh, in here we can see some examples for alternatives. And I invite Malki to continue this. Thank you.
Thank you, Dini. Hi all, I'm Ukwaththa.U.J. When we talk about the similarities between electric water heaters and spiral water heaters, both of them can heat almost any amount of water. Also, there is a good shelf life in both of them. These two methods can also be heated to the required level of water, and they charge lower cost in purchase. Let's look at the advantages of spiral water heaters. By manufacturing this system, we can get high thermal efficiency in water heating. Also, it has a high standby volume. When we use this system, there will be much less electric leakage. This system requires low maintenance and installation costs due to ease access. Also, this can contribute hygienic water. When we move into the statistical data related to spiral water heaters, as the statistical data of energy usage, we can get a plan. And also, when you're considering about resource usage of spiral water heaters, nichrome and stainless steel are used for manufacturing systems. The environmental impact of this spiral water heating system, we can take as doesn't make any noise pollution to environment, and also this will avoid some extent of carbon emission, which will contribute to global warming and climate change. Let's move on to the conclusion. Toward this presentation, we learned about appropriate conventions and standard reference system, how to apply scientific and technical theories to interior problems. Move on. These are the references which we use in our book. Finally, we can give this message. As the message, the